Hello, in this video I will show you what I did for Enhancement 7. So for this I'm going to log in with the admin user and my account view change with this section, my account information and products management. So let's update some information. Okay, here's my update information form and the password form. So now I'm going to change the name to Administration Junior. Okay, and let's update it. Okay, user information updated. It delivered us to the accounts controller. And now I'm going to change the password. But let's make it okay. Your new password doesn't meet the requirements. Okay, because I read this whatever. And now I'm going to write the correct password. And now my password was updated. So I'm going to log out and log in again. So to really check that the change was made. Okay, we are logged in. So this is my work for Enhancement 7. Bye.